Google calls the Tensor G6 in the Pixel 11 Pro 40 its most advanced AI engine yet, a next-gen performer built to outclass every chip before it. Bold claims are easy, proving them isn't, so we pushed this platform through brutal stress tests, real-world drains, and edge case scenarios to uncover whether it truly represents the next era of mobile power. Buckle up. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. The Pixel 11 lineup isn't just another yearly upgrade. It's shaping up to be the boldest shift in Google's hardware journey. For the first time, Google seems ready to remove the final bottleneck that's held Tensor back since day one. The change sounds subtle on paper: swapping Samsung's long-used Exynos modem for a modern MediaTek design, but the impact could be far bigger than anyone expected. Google already made a huge jump by shifting Tensor G5 manufacturing to TSMC. And while that helped with heat, stability, and battery drain, the results never felt like the breakthrough fans were waiting for. And now we finally know why. The modem, one of the most power-hungry, performance-critical parts of any smartphone, was still rooted in Samsung's older architecture. Leaked details around the upcoming Tensor G6, reportedly codenamed Malibu, reveal that Google is cutting that dependency entirely. The new MediaTek M90 modem isn't just a replacement, it's a step into the modern flagship era, with support for crazy fast 12 gigabits per second downloads, dual active SIM, improved 5 stability, and even satellite connectivity. This move reshapes the entire Pixel experience from the inside out. But the real surprise is efficiency. MediaTek's internal AI-driven network tuning reportedly trims power usage by up to 18%, a massive deal considering how much energy modems burn during daily browsing, streaming, and social media use. If accurate, the Pixel 11 could finally deliver the battery endurance Pixel users have begged for since the original Tensor. For everyday users, that translates to fewer signal dropouts, cooler temperatures during heavy data tasks, and more screen on time without needing a bigger battery. For Google, this is something deeper. This is independence. The moment Tensor stops leaning on borrowed parts and starts operating like a true flagship platform built on Google's own terms. And if all these upgrades line up as expected, the Pixel 11 series might just become the turning point that finally fulfills Google's long-promised vision for Tensor-powered devices. There's a shift coming, and this time, it feels real. So tell me, do you think Pixel 11 is finally the game-changer Google keeps hinting at? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll catch you in the next one.